An octopus that is fun, friendly, and full of cheer. Let's create it from a simple circle and make it appear. I'm excited to dive into this drawing with you. Let's make every step as fun and wiggly as our cute little buddy. We obviously want to make it look like the coolest, friendliest sea creature on the block, ready to charm the whole ocean. So, I'd say these eyes and this smile hits the mark perfectly. And tell me, you silly peep, what cool and quirky name should we give our little friend, so it would match his awesome vibes? You can let me know in the comments below. Ever wondered how octopuses play hide and seek? They can change their color and texture to blend in perfectly, like having a super cool built-in camo suit. How awesome is that? I have to say, I'm impressed. With each pencil stroke, this drawing is getting better and better. And it will be even better when we break out that marker and give this little octopus some slick lines. With marker in hand, our octopus will shine. Watch each stroke as it defines every line. Our creation will be so bright and bold, it'll be the coolest octopus to behold. Each line you draw is a step towards something awesome. So, have fun! And remember, every mistake is just a cool part of your creative adventure. And tell me, you silly peep, what is your favorite animal? Let's draw it together sometime. Imagine how awesome and fun that would be. Isn't this the cutest little creature ever? Now it's time to pick out some colors to make it even more adorable. Crank up the charm to max. I know you are curious how mine turned out, so here it is. And as you know, you can always find more awesome free videos like this on scribblepeeps.com. Bye!